UT20, so University of Texas, the class of 2020, they never had a graduation. And so they had our makeup graduation this weekend.
I'm hotter than New Orleans. Yeah, I am I feeling bored. Yeah, stay up getting higher, 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 higher. You feel it, can't ignore it. When shit get dicey, I stay icy cold. I'll let your night up like it's golden Joe. You see it, I'm ready to make a move. Just playing, winning like I made the rules.
Guys, so this is like my first meal, like actual meal of the day. Actually, yeah, I haven't eaten today. It is 2:30 right now, 2:31 to be exact. I made a grilled cheese with vegan bacon and some oatmeal. So basically I had made oatmeal first, then I forgot I was making it, and I was like, damn, I'm hungry. I kind of want a grilled cheese with some little fake bacon. And then I looked on the stove and I was like, oh shit, I'm already making some. And I was like, you know what? Let me eat both. So I have my lime and chlorophyll water. I'm just gonna give it a shake. And yeah, this stuff is super good. Do your research on it before you go try it. But it's great for me. I have to do some homework for my doula class. So I'm gonna get into that, and probably after that, just chill, really. Or shit, I'm gonna watch Raising Kanan because I didn't get to see that episode yesterday. I don't know why I was talking behind the camera. And also, don't mind my bonnet, girl. I'm in the house. I don't care. I'm that girl who's about to walk around the house all day long with her bonnet on, unless I feel called to let my locks down, which I don't today. I'm gonna watch Raising Kanan. And I do want to redesign my living room area. Like, something is telling me to move this couch and put it on that wall. But I don't know. I guess I'll show you guys that when I decide to do that. The sun that's coming in, I get some good little sunlight. I know my plants love this. Let me get some vitamin D.
Isn't that why we're here?
He's got it all, I just let them assume. You couldn't be me if you wanted to. You're yesterday's edition, I'm the new. Make it look easy, she make it look easy. We make it look easy, we make it look easy. I make it look easy, she make it look easy. We make it look easy. I'm hotter than New Orleans.
sun really, like, okay, it's been very gloomy these past few days, and I'm like, damn, Atlanta rain like this. So I'm just so happy that it's so much sun right now, child. Like, sun. But I'm about to prop y'all up while I try to get things situated. I'm gonna put this right here. So I'm gonna try to like redecorate my living room area. I'm basically gonna flip everything that's on this side on this side. I do eventually want to mount my TV, but for right now, I want it to be as comfortable as, you know, I need it to be. And I also want to start hanging up my artwork because it's just kind of sitting here and then it's oh, y'all see that light? Look at that little glimmer. I actually really like it like this. It makes it feel a lot more open. I am not sure how I feel about this, but I'm not sure if I should put this studio little stand, backdrop stand, where the TV was again, or if I should just leave it. I'm kind of feeling the plants by this though. So I'm just gonna keep moving everything around. Some pants that were cut like this, cute, right? It's giving body. Would y'all like to know where everything is from? I got this rug from Amazon. I also got this pillow from Amazon. I got this table from Amazon. I literally got this black what is it called, Lazy Susan, I believe. I got it from Target for like $5. This couch is the Kivik couch from IKEA, and I got this pillow a long time ago from, I believe, Walmart or Target. And this heavy duty knit blanket from Target. Lamp, Target. Diffuser, not sure. I think it was a gift. This I got secondhand at a little thrift shop on the corner. My older sister gave me this plant stand. It's from IKEA. I don't know the name of it. Let me give this baby some sun. She got a new leaf coming in, pool. But this mirror, I got it from TJ Maxx for like, I believe $50 to $70. This stand, I don't know, an old friend got it for me. So yeah. Is this no, I got this from somewhere. I cannot remember. I got these little candle holders from a crystal shop. And I got my GameCube and my Polaroid and my photo album. It's upside down, but look at me looking all sexy with my little bush. And then we have my sage and other smudging sticks and stuff. Oh, I need to clean that. But yeah. And then I got this fake plant. This is my only fake plant. And I will never give her her because she looks real. I got her from Michael's. So yeah. That's pretty much like where I got everything from for like the living room. Damn, I really don't even have that much shit. Oh, I got the little white plant stand from Target. So that's it, y'all. I was thinking about getting a green rug. I wanted this whole area to be fully green, like greened out, because green represents the heart chakra and I want the heart space of my home to be in the living room. So yeah, this is my view. Literally, I just get all trees. I get like the sun, like the direct sun for like a good few hours. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Peace out. Have a beautiful ass day. Damn, that sun is beaming. Beaming. Beaming, beaming, beaming. Alright, bye. Have a blessed one, y'all. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and commenting. Please.